So this is a follow-up video to my, let's just keep it going and
Okay.
I can. So I'm going to use an X-Acto knife. Make sure it's super sharp. Be careful, kids, please do not do this at home. And what I basically do to strip it is I just put the X-Acto on an angle and I'm just going to like cut it. Whoop, it's okay. And then you can just like stick it on your, then you could just stick it on your wrist like that and you have a very simple bangle copper. There you go, and you have a very simple bangle copper bracelet. There's a little delay there. I don't know if it took a thumbnail for this, but if it did, I don't know what it is, so it's going to be funny. So I put 6 tiny little seed beads, and then for the hand, so I ended up putting about 7. So I ended up putting 8 seed beads on there, and for the hand I'm going to put a little, just a little gold bead around one. And then you'll see your cord is adjustable. Magic. And there you have your cool little, and there you have your cool little, so there you have your cool little, so there you have your cool little, so there you have your cute little flower on a adjustable, so there you have your cute little flower on an adjustable leather cord. So there's the first part of the moon, and then I'm going to bend this to the back or front, I forget. Zoop, zoop, bend it to the front, I think. So we're gonna, oh, my moon's getting really distorted now, but that's okay. We're just gonna play around with it. Sometimes it's almost better, you know what, sometimes it's better to start again. Oh, now it's getting distorted again. Okay. Sometimes when you like overthink things, it just doesn't work in your favor. So we're gonna bring that one. Oh, you know why? Okay, that's why. It's the design. I'm doing it wrong. How I don't usually do it. This is supposed to, jeez. When you can't even remember your own design. Okay, let's start again. Let's do it a third time. Oh my goodness, my brain is mush. So in this video, I'm going to just explain a little bit of what materials we'll be using, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining some of the materials that you're going to need for the challenge, and as always, I always give options. In this video, I'm going to be explaining some of the materials that you're Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 6. Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 6 of the 10-day Right Brain Art Challenge. So today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple, easy, no, that's stupid, it's not that easy.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos.